Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Authenticator for Authy after device change. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Authy Authenticator after changing devices, start by installing the Authy app on your new device. Once installed, open the Authy app. You will see the welcome screen. Tap on Get Started to proceed. Next, enter your phone number associated with your Authy account. Tap on Next to continue. You will receive a verification code via SMS or a call. Enter the verification code in the app. If you have enabled backups, the app will request your backup password. Input your backup password to access your account. If you did not enable backups, you may need to verify your identity through other means. Follow the prompts provided by the app to complete this process. Once verification is complete, you will see your accounts restored in the app. Review your accounts and ensure everything has been restored properly. If any accounts are missing, you may need to manually re-enter them. To do this, navigate to the account settings in the app. Select Add Account and follow the setup instructions for each missing account. Now, you can start using Authy on your new device. Make sure to enable backups again for future restoration. You have successfully restored your Authy Authenticator on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.